IndiaTelevision.com's news of the week. Let's take a look at this week's top stories. At the recently concluded MIP TV held in Cannes, co-founder and CEO of Vice Media Shane Smith announced the launch of his online food channel joint venture with Fremantle Media called Munches. The channel is slated to have more than 100 hours of short-form clips, half-hour-long shows and hour-long shows. Targeted at Gen Y, Smith expects Munches.tv to generate hundreds of millions of views this year from the current 50 million views its food shows on YouTube generate. In one of the biggest announcements that has come after TRAI came out with its regulation that prevented aggregators from bundling channels of different broadcasters, Stardust Media Services and Zee Turner have decided to part ways with distribution joint venture MediaPro coming to an end. The networks will now set up their independent affiliate sales team for their respective channels. The networks are also banking on the recent tariff hike given by TRAI as a positive boost to subscription revenues. With Hathway and Star Sports launching campaigns against each other, it is a sports fan who has been hit and really hard. While the campaign launched by Star Sports hits out at Hathway for not providing Star Sports channels to subscribers, the MSO has launched a campaign informing viewers to subscribe to the sports channel as part of its sports package or on a la carte basis. The problem took place when Hathway pulled off Star Sports channels from its premium package, asking customers to either subscribe to it as part of the sports pack or on a la carte basis. Come April 2015, and ETV news channels will be known as News 18 as per the agreement between the TV18 group and the erstwhile owner Yenadu Group. Also, TV18, which has acquired 100% interest in the regional Hindi news channels, namely ETV Uttar Pradesh, ETV Madhya Pradesh, ETV Rajasthan and ETV Bihar, will be known as News 18 UP, News 18 MP, News 18 Rajasthan and News 18 Bihar. Let's move on to the other stories that made headlines. Indiacast, the joint venture between TV18 and Viacom18, has decided to expand its News 18 India brand to other parts of the world, starting with Singapore and the Middle East. The company has plans to take the brand across the world that serves wholesome news about India. This apart, Rishte is also going to be launched soon in the USA. Discovery Networks Asia Pacific has promoted Rahul Johri to the role of Executive Vice President and General Manager, South Asia and Head of Revenue, Pan-Regional Ad Sales and Southeast Asia. Johri continues to spearhead the operations and overall growth strategy of DNAP's portfolio in the South Asian region. He will also lead and manage the advertising sales and solution deals for Asia Pacific Pan-Regional business. After working for 6 years with DDB Mudra, Pratap Bose, the Chief Operating Officer, has decided to quit. The decision comes in the wake of extension given to Madhur Kambal, the Group CEO and MD of DDB Mudra. While Bose was expected to take over from Kamath post his expected retirement, Kamath was given a 4-year extension. Actors are now no longer only a part of the entertainment industry. With election 2014 being considered the election of the century, many actors have jumped into politics. While the likes of Shatrughan Sinha, Jaya Bachchan and Hema Malini had already entered politics way back, this year will probably see the largest number of film personalities fighting it out in the 2014 polls. Currently, 40 actors from across the country are in the election arena. These include actor former Miss India Gul Panag, actor Kiran Kher, Rakhi Sawant and Kamal R. Khan amongst others. That's now for this week. For more updates and insights about the media industry, log on to www.indiatelevision.com. Till then, have a great week ahead. Goodbye.